If your vacuum mop leaves water behind, the problem might not be your roller brush. Many people replace the roller brush or filter, but the problem still happens. A worn squeegee can't pull water back. An old hose can cause poor suction or leaks. Uneven wheels stop the squeegee from sealing to the floor. Loose covers can cause liquid leakages. Replacing these small parts can restore your vacuum mop performance. Check and replace worn parts regularly.